right. Girls, tell me your name. What's your name, little girl? Is your name Russell? Is your name Russell?
No,
What's your name? Well, what's your name, little girl? What's your name?
My name is Ella.
Ella. What you doing? Uh-oh, be careful.
Ow. Hi.
Let's see. Hey. Hey, Margaret Ann. Hey, Margaret Ann.